Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are focusing on exercise 13 to 22, and it says write an algebraic expression for each verbal expression. So let's start with 13. So 13 says x more than 7. So if x is a number, x plus 7. Let's talk about 14. It says a number less than 35. So if x is a number, minus 35. If we talk about 15, it says 5 times a number. So if x is a number, 5x. If we talk about 16, it says one third of a number. One third of a number if x is a number divided by 3. If we talk about 17, it says f divided by 10. It's very easy. If we talk about 18, it says the quotient of 45 and r. So 45 divided by r, 19. 49 increased by twice of a number. If x is a number, so 2x plus 49, right? And let's talk about 20. It says 18 decreased by 3 times d. So 18 decreased by 3 times d. Talk about 21. It says k square minus 11. And if we talk about 22, it says 20 divided by t to the fifth power. 20 divided by t to the fifth power. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.